So we're the Diamond Studio based in Celbridge, and we offer custom designed jewellery. So we do absolutely everything from bespoke pieces, engagement rings, wedding rings, to gifts, earrings, pendants. We design everything in-house. So Christmas is a really important period for us as well. So the Kildare County Council Shop Local, Support Local means that we can create awareness of all the products and services available in the towns so that people know what is available on their doorstep. It means that we can create money, jobs in the area, and we can give that back to the community during the year as well. But also the Kildare Retail Merchandising Grant for the Christmas window, it just means that we can really go out and decorate, add to the Christmas cheer in the village, and it just means that it adds to the overall feeling in the village for Christmas. We wouldn't be here without the support of the local spend. It just means so much to us as a business because we work so hard to provide products and service for our customers. We really appreciate when they do shop local. It means that we can add back into the community by supporting local jobs, by supporting local community activities, schools, raffles, all of that throughout the year. So Celbridge is beautiful all year, but especially at Christmas. The Christmas lights on the main street went up at the weekend, this weekend. We had the Santa truck coming, and that was in support of a local charity. So it's great, there's so much going on in the village, especially for families, kids, everything at Christmas. So be sure to come down, spend some time around the village and just say hello to everybody in the businesses and support where you can. What we would say to encourage people to shop locally for Christmas and throughout the year is you're supporting local, you're supporting your community. We offer fantastic product and service. You don't have to shop online. You can come back anytime. We provide aftercare service, which you can't get when you shop online. And it just adds to the community and it attracts more people to come and spend their money and spend their time in the village.